Good morning, student. Today we will continue our chapter 6, that is a factorization of algebraic expression. We are discussing about middle term splitting. In the last lecture we discussed one method of middle term splitting. See what, suppose it is given to you one algebraic expression in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Firstly we are taking a is equal to 1, then it become x square plus bx plus c. One thing always remember, number of factor depends on the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? Recall it, what is the degree? Degree is the highest power of the polynomial in given expression. In this term there is a power x power, variable power 2, in this variable power 1, here nothing, it means 0. It means highest power of the variable in this polynomial is 2. That's why degree of this polynomial is equal to 2. And in any algebraic expression, number of factors is equal to degree of polynomial. मीन्स किसी भी एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन के कितने फैक्टर्स होंगे ये डिपेंड करता है डिग्री ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल पर. सो वी कैन से नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स इज इक्वल टू डिग्री ऑफ पोलिनोमियल. नाउ इन दिस सी, it means this one has degree 2. So it means we will get something like this. One factor x plus something, second factor also x plus something. Then how to get these values in the given expression? In this, what is the meaning of this? X square plus bx plus c. C is what? See that constant, we take the factors product of factor. इस C के दो फैक्टर हमें ऐसे करने हैं जिसका हमें प्रोडक्ट करने पर वैल्यू ऑफ C मिल जाए. B सम ऑफ फैक्टर, इट मीन्स जिन दो फैक्टर का प्रोडक्ट करके हमें C की वैल्यू मिली है उन दोनों फैक्टर्स को ऐड करके मुझे किसकी वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए? B की. एग्जाम्पल, simple example we take x square plus 7x plus c 10. If we compare this expression with the standard form, you can get that b value is equal to 7 and c value is equal to 10. I said that c is the product of two factor. इस 10 के दो ऐसे फैक्टर लेने हैं जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें वैल्यू ऑफ c मिल जाए. 10 के फैक्टर हो क्या कह सकते हैं? 10 वी कैन राइट डाउन 1 into 10, 2 into 5, on 3 table not, 4 table not, 5 into 2 again repeat, 6 into in 6 table, 7 table, 8, 9, then again 10 into 1, 1 into 10 or 10 into 1 doesn't matter. अब हमें इन दोनों फैक्टर्स में से ऐसा फैक्टर चूज करना है जिसको प्लस करने पर हमारे पास 7 आ जाए. इफ वी आर टेकिंग 1 into 10, तो व्हेन यू ऐड 1 plus 10 then it become 11. If we are taking 2 into 5, तो 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. We want to get here 7. तो we can get by this. It means 2 और 5 ऐसे फैक्टर है जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे तो हमें C की वैल्यू मिल रही है और जिसको ऐड करने पर हमें B की वैल्यू मिल रही है. So how we can write down like this? x square plus, इन दोनों फैक्टर के सम के साथ यहाँ क्या ऐड हो जाएगा? दिस इज 7x. तो वी कैन राइट डाउन 2x plus 5x plus C value we write down as it is 10. बेसिकली हमें क्या करना है, हमें इस मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट करना है, दैट्स वाई इट कॉल्ड मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग। इस तरह से स्प्लिट करना है कि कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन आ जाए और हमें इजीली फैक्टर्स आइडेंटिफाई हो जाए। In this if you see, then x we can take common, then remaining x plus 2. In this if we take common 5, then 5 common x plus 2. Then it become x plus 5 and second x plus 2. See, I already said this will be in the form of like this. So we get the answer x plus 5, x plus 2. There are two factors of this given algebraic expression. Another example, see now. X square plus 2x minus 15. In these type of question there is a major role of sign also. These type of sign. Now see. Firstly see, value of c we can say 15 and value of minus 15 sorry b is equal to 2. पहले साइन को भूल जाओ and then think about this, what will be the factor of 15. 15 के फैक्टर 1 into 15, 2 into stable not, then 3 into 5, then if you see again 5 into 1 and then again 15 into 1. Only two factors possible of. Now see 1, 15, 3 into 5. अब अगर हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा, इफ बोथ आर पॉजिटिव देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ c पॉजिटिव. But if you see properly then we want to get here c value negative. c की वैल्यू नेगेटिव के लिए two cases है. Firstly you have to know that whenever you do plus into minus then we will get the answer in negative, and when we multiply minus into plus then also we will get answer negative. For the positiveness both should be positive or both should be negative. In these four cases we can apply only these two cases because we want here the value of c negative. Now see here, it means I can take maybe minus 1 into 15, minus 3 into 5, or maybe another case I can take 1 into minus 15 or 3 into minus 5. C condition satisfy for these maybe these four cases. Now which one is suitable for the B also we will check here. B value we need 2. You can see if I take 15 minus 1, इन दोनों को अगर हम ऐड कर दें minus 1 plus 15 then you will get 14. 1 minus 15 then you will get minus 14. ना तो हमें 14 चाहिए ना हमें minus 14 चाहिए. It means these two cases cancel out. Now see this one, minus 3 plus 5, इन दोनों को ऐड करें then we will get 2. 3 minus 5 then we will get minus 2. But we need the value of B positive. It means which one case is suitable for this? This one case. That minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. See properly, here I am explaining in the details. If you do enough practice for this, 10 questions you will do like this, then you can solve mentally these type of question. There is no need to write these type of things then. Okay, now see, it means you identify that this one case is only suitable for it, that when you do multiply these factor minus 3 into 5 you will get minus 15, and if you add these two factors, then you will get 2 here. Solve here now. X square minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. In these two, x common, remaining x minus 3 plus 5 common, remaining x minus 3. Then it becomes x plus 5 multiply x minus 3. There are two factors now. One factor is x plus 5 and second factor is x minus 3. Next, now see, this already explained in the previous lecture also. I am just explaining again that you will not get confused in this. These type of questions, see now, if I have ax square plus bx plus c in these forms, if I have algebraic expression or given polynomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then what will we do for the middle term splitting? In this case, firstly you will do multiply a into c. It means this value multiply by c. Then a into c should be the product of two factor. B same, sum of two factor. See what is the meaning of this? 2x square plus sorry 2x square plus 7x plus 3. We want to solve now these types of algebraic expression. How to do factorization? In these type of factorization, I already said firstly what we will do, a multiply by c. Then what is the value of a? If you compare, then a value become 2, b value become 7, c value become 3. A into c become 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 6. It means there is need to do the factor of 6 now. What is the factor of 6? 1 into 6, 2 into 3. Again if you do, if it will repeat, 3 multiply by 2 and 6 multiply by 1. Now see which two factors sum becomes this 7. We need the value of B7. Then now see here, this is plus sign. When you will do multiply a into c, then you will get the factor of 6 positive. In positive we have two cases, plus into plus, minus into minus. In both cases when you do multiply, then you will get result positive. Which one case we will follow here? B value is also positive. If we are taking, suppose I am applying this one, plus 1 into plus 6 obviously plus 6, minus 1 into minus 6 obviously plus 6. But when you add it, then it become 1 plus 6, 7, minus 1 minus 6 become minus 7. If both are negative, then if you add it, how to add it? Minus 1 plus bracket minus 6, minus 1 plus minus minus, then you will get result minus 7. But in the B you want to get the value positive plus 7. That's why we will use this one case. It means we take two factor, that becomes 1 into 6 is equal to 6 and 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So what we write down here? 2x square plus 7x splitting like 1x plus 6x plus 3. Now what is common in it? X, then remaining 2x plus 1 plus what is common in it? 3. 3 2 is 6, 2x plus 1. Then it become 2x plus 1 into x plus 3. These two factors of this given polynomial 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Take another case. Next example, suppose 2x square plus 11x plus 14. Again I am taking the positive values example. 2x square plus 11x plus 17. Same thing. What is the first step in this? Multiply 2 into 14, that is equal to 28. Now start to take the factor. 1 into 28, 2 into 14 in 3 table, not 4 table. 4 sevens are 48. 5, 6, 7 again start repeat. It means these three factors possible for it. Now see the value of b. Value of b is equal to plus 11. When all are positive, it means we take a, c, b all value positive. जो भी फैक्टर हम लेंगे वो सब क्या होंगे? पॉजिटिव होंगे. नाउ सी 1 plus 28 we get 1 plus 28 29. We don't need. 2 plus 14 16. Don't need. 4 plus 7 11. We need this one. It means 2x square plus 4x plus 7x plus 14. 2x common, remaining x plus 2, 7 common, remaining x plus 2. It means your factor is common factor x plus 2, then remaining 2x plus 7. So this type we will complete here. Now take another example related to negative sign. X square plus 9x plus minus 5. What is the first step in it? First step, we do multiply 2 into minus 5, that is equal to minus 10. Now do the factor of 10. Here see minus 10. Minus 10 when you will get? When you will do minus multiply by plus is equal to minus, plus multiply by minus is equal to minus. It means one of the factor will be negative. So we can take the cases minus 10. Minus 1 into 10 is equal to minus 10. Minus 2 into 5 is equal to minus 10. Any other case? 3, 4, then again start to repeat. Or one more case, 1 into minus 10 also minus 10. 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 10. It means these 4 cases possible for the value of a multiplied by c. Now how to find out the value of b? Value of b we want to find out. What is the value of b here? B value is equal to plus 9. Now see, b की वैल्यू तुम्हें प्लस 9 चाहिए, पॉजिटिव चाहिए, और ये हमें पता है कि हमारा जो a मल्टीप्लाई बाय c आया है वो नेगेटिव किस केस में आएगा? इफ वन ऑफ द फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव, वन ऑफ द फैक्टर इज नेगेटिव, देन वी कैन से दैट a मल्टीप्लाई बाय c विल बी नेगेटिव. तो कौन सा फैक्टर नेगेटिव होना चाहिए? यू कैन सी प्रॉपरली कि जब मुझे b की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव चाहिए, मीन्स दो फैक्टर है जिनका सम लेने पर मेरे पास b की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आनी चाहिए, तो इट मीन्स मेरा नेगेटिव फैक्टर दोनों फैक्टर में से वो फैक्टर होगा जो स्मॉलर है, तभी हमें b की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव मिल सकती है. अगर हम नेगेटिव वैल्यू के लिए फैक्टर लार्जर ले लेंगे तो हमारा आंसर नेगेटिव में आएगा. सी हेयर व्हाट आई वांट टू से, If I take, suppose I take this one, firstly see 2 और 5, एक नेगेटिव है तो ऑब्वियसली इनका डिफरेंस ही होगा, एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है एक नेगेटिव नंबर है तो इनका डिफरेंस होगा। तो 2 माइनस 5 माइनस 3, 1 माइनस 10 माइनस 9। तो पहली चीज तो ये कंफर्म करो 9 या माइनस 9 कौन से दो फैक्टर से मिल सकता है, इनसे तो नहीं मिलेगा, because they are giving 3 only, maybe plus 3 or maybe minus 3. Now check these two factor, 1 minus 10 if I do then it become minus 9, minus 1 plus 10 if I do then it become 9. तो हमें b की वैल्यू क्या चाहिए, पॉजिटिव 9. इट मीन्स विच वन केस वी विल कंसिडर, दिस वन. सो व्हाट वी राइट डाउन, 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 1x लिखो और ओनली यू कैन टेक x माइनस 5. नाउ व्हाट इज कॉमन इन इट, x, remaining 2x minus 1, in this common is 5, remaining 2x minus 1. Then your factors are 2x minus 1 and x plus 5. So this time we will solve these question. Now one more case, see when b and a into c both are negative. 6 minus 9c minus 20c 7c square. How to solve this one question? Whenever we write the polynomial, try to write down firstly always in a standard form. Standard form, it means we can say that decreasing order of the power, maybe increasing order also, but try to write decreasing order of the power. Here see, c power 2, if I change into the decreasing order of the power then it becomes like this, माइनस 27 सी स्क्वायर. अगर पहला ही टर्म हमारा नेगेटिव है तो हम क्या करें, नेगेटिव को कॉमन ले लें ताकि ये पॉजिटिव बन जाए. देन इट बिकम 27 सी स्क्वायर, माइनस अगर कॉमन आ जाएगा तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा, प्लस, एंड हेयर माइनस. नाउ ओपन इट, देन माइनस दिस, माइनस प्लस माइनस 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 प्लस. अब नाउ सोल्व दिस वन, देन वी विल यूज दिस नेगेटिव साइन. ओके, one more thing you can see that here something is common in these complete expression. You can take easily 3 common. 3 9s are 27, 9c square plus 3 3s are 9 minus 2. So if you are finding this type of any common factor, then firstly take the common, then after solve it. Now we will solve this one. Now our question become 9c square plus 3c minus 2. Firstly we solve it, then we multiply by it. Now see, a value 9, c value minus 2. It means a into c becomes 9 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 18. In this case 9 into 2 minus 18. Now factor, do the factor of minus 18. We have the cases minus 1 into 18, minus 2 into 9, minus 3 into 6, 4, 5, 6, then again start to repeat. And one more case, 1 into minus 18, 2 into minus 9, 3 into minus 6. Now check the value of b, that is equal to plus 3. प्लस 3, 18 और 1 के डिफरेंस में 17 आएगा. सो ये दोनों केसेस तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. 9 और 2 के डिफरेंस में 7 आएगा, दिस ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. 6 और 3 के डिफरेंस में 3 आएगा. अब पॉजिटिव 3 और नेगेटिव 3 वी विल सी हेयर. पॉजिटिव 3, इट मीन्स वन ऑफ द फैक्टर जो पॉजिटिव है वो, सॉरी, वन ऑफ द फैक्टर जो ग्रेटर है वो पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. तो 3 और 6 में ग्रेटर कौन सा फैक्टर है, 6. तो तो 6 पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, 3 नेगेटिव, देन यू विल गेट इज इक्वल टू +3. If I take this one, then it becomes 3 plus minus of 6, it means 3 minus 6, that is equal to -3. Which one? This one. Now solve it. -3 common, 9c square we can write down like this, 9c square minus 3c plus 6c minus 2. -3, 3c common, then remaining 3c minus 1 plus 2 common, 3c minus 1. -3, your factors are 3c plus 2 into 3c minus 1. So this is the answer of this given polynomial, factors of the given polynomial. In the next lecture we will discuss more type of these more type of questions based on this. So you will do complete your 6th F and 6th G exercise, which is totally based on the middle term splitting. Thank you, student.